first time I created my AI twin, I thought looking like me was going to be the hard part. It wasn't. The hard part was actually getting her to sound like me. Because you can have the most realistic AI avatar in the world, but if the words coming out of her mouth don't sound like something you'd actually say, people can tell. Today, I'm showing you what I've learned about creating an AI twin that actually sounds like you. Hey, I'm Yamina, the AI twin lady. Every week, I'm sharing how I'm using AI to create more, stress less, and build content systems that actually work. And if there's one thing I've learned from building my AI twin, it's that creating the avatar is only part of it. Your AI twin also needs your voice. Before I ask AI to write anything for me, I have to remember something. I don't talk like a robot, and neither should my AI twin. I use contractions, I repeat myself sometimes. I say things like okay, honestly, and probably so way more than I realize. Those little things are part of the way I communicate. So instead of asking AI to help me sound more professional, I want it to help me sound more like myself. AI can't learn your voice if you don't give it anything to work with. That's why I use examples of things that I've actually said and written. It can be an old video transcript, a caption, a script, or even the way I explain something when I'm just talking naturally. The more context I give it, the less I'm asking AI to guess who I am. This is something that I used to do. I'd ask AI for a script, read it, and think, okay, technically, this is good. But I would never actually say half of it. So now I treat the first draft like exactly that, a first draft. I'll tell ChatGPT, make this more conversational. I wouldn't say that. Shorten this. That sounds too robotic. And we keep working until I can read the script out loud without feeling like I'm pretending to be somebody else. Here's probably the easiest test I've found. Read the script out loud because something can look completely fine on the screen and sound completely wrong coming out of your mouth. If I stumble over a sentence, if it feels too formal, or if I'm thinking, I would never say this, I change it. Because eventually my AI twin is going to deliver those words. And I want people watching her to still feel like they're hearing from me. And the last thing I'm learning is that your AI twin isn't something that you create once and never touch again. Mine is still changing. My content is changing. My business is changing. And honestly, I'm changing too. So the way my AI twin communicates should keep getting better as I learn more about my own voice and my audience. I'm not trying to build a perfect digital copy of myself. I'm building something that's getting better with me. So if your AI content doesn't quite sound like you yet, don't assume technology isn't working. It might just need more of you. More examples, more of the little things that make the way you communicate yours. Because the goal isn't for people to watch your AI twin and think, wow, that's good AI. The goal is for them to think, that sounds like her. That's our ending payoff. And now I'm curious. If you've ever used AI to help create your content, what's the one thing it keeps saying that you would never say? Tell me in the comments. And if you're building your own AI content system, subscribe. Every Friday, I'm sharing what I'm learning as I build mine.